Hi everyone, welcome back to our maths class. Are you fine? Okay, very good. In the last class, we discussed some practical problems based on the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Today's activities are also the continuation of previous class activities. Let's start today's class. See the first question. Among the 240 notebooks with the school society, half of them were sold. Find the number of notebooks left. How many notebooks are there in total? Yes, 240. So total number of notebooks equals 240. Out of 240 notebooks, half of them were sold. So number of notebooks sold equals half of 240. Children, what is half of 4? Yes, 2. That is 2 plus 2 equals 4. Like that, what is half of 8? Yes, 4. That is 4 plus 4 equals 8. So, can you say which numbers are added together to get 240? Yes, 120 plus 120 equals 240. So, half of 240 is 120. Then we have to find out the number of notebooks left. You know, out of 240 notebooks, 120 notebooks were sold. So, to find out the number of notebooks left, subtract 120 from 240. That is 240 minus 120. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So, number of notebooks left equals 120. Let's go to the next question. Ramu bought brinjal for 545 rupees and lady's finger for 232 rupees. He sold the brinjal for 637 rupees and the lady's finger for 365 rupees. Find the profit from each sale. What is the total profit? Do you know what is profit? Profit is the difference between the amount earned and the amount spent. What is the buying price of brinjal? Yes, 545 rupees. So, buying price of brinjal equals 545 rupees. What is the selling price of brinjal? Yes, selling price of brinjal is 637 rupees. Then we have to find out the profit of brinjal. To find out the profit, subtract buying price from the selling price. That is 637 minus 545. 7 minus 5, 2. You know, we can't subtract 4 from 3. Then 3 becomes 13 and 6 becomes 5. 13 minus 4, yes, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. So, profit from brinjal is 92 rupees. Next, what is the buying price of lady's finger? Yes, buying price of lady's finger is 232 rupees. What is the selling price of lady's finger? Selling price of lady's finger is 365 rupees. Then we have to find out the profit from lady's finger. For that, we have to subtract buying price from the selling price. That is 365 minus 232. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So, profit from lady's finger is 133 rupees. Next, we have to find out the total profit. For that, add profit from lady's finger with profit from brinjal. That is 133 plus 92. 3 plus 2, 5. 9 plus 3, 12. Write 2 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. So, total profit is 225 rupees. Let's do the next question. Ammu bought some household things from Babu's store for 903 rupees. Anu bought the same things from Maveli's store for 784 rupees. Which is the best purchase? By how much? Children, What is the price at Babu store? Yes, price at Babu store is 903 rupees. What is the price at Maveli store? Price at Maveli store is 784 rupees. Children, do you know which is the best purchase from the Babu store or Maveli store? Yes, very good. The best purchase is that from the Maveli store because there the price is less than from the Babu store. Children, do you know how much is less in the price? To find out the less in the price, subtract 784 from 903. You know, we can't subtract 4 from 3. So we have to borrow from the tens place. In the tens place there is also 0. So we have to borrow from the 100 place. Then 0 becomes 10 and 9 becomes 8. Then again borrow 1 from 10. Then 3 becomes 13 and 10 becomes 9. 13 minus 4, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. So less in the price is 119 rupees. I hope you all understood today's class very well. You should do this exercise question in your textbook. It's the time to wind up today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you.